Just 2 weeks before getting sworn into office, President Biden promised the public he would pursue a restoration of democracy, of decency, of honor, of respect, the rule of law. 4 years later, Biden, 82, gave his troubled son Hunter, 54, an unusually broad, full, and unconditional pardon spanning roughly 11 years that flagrantly broke his repeated public promises not to meddle in the high-profile affair. Both Biden and the White House told the public nearly a dozen times that the president would not pardon his son, both before and after Hunter was convicted of gun charges and pled guilty to tax felonies earlier this year, in July of last year. Shortly after Hunter Biden's no-jail plea agreement imploded in court, the White House clarified the president's stance against a pardon. No, White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre simply told reporters at the time. With the plea deal up in flames, after a judge exposed daylight between the defense and prosecution over whether Hunter Biden would enjoy blanket immunity, it was clear at the time that he was at serious risk of a conviction. "This is a personal matter for Hunter Biden, this is a personal issue," Jean-Pierre also told reporters at the time. "This has been done in an independent way by the Department of Justice, it has been led by a Trump-appointed prosecutor." Against the backdrop of Weiss' team announcing 9 charges against Hunter Biden over the tax evasion case, the White House flack again insisted that the president hadn't changed his mind. "Nothing has changed," she told reporters on Air Force One during a gaggle. "That is still the case." Shortly after the president threw in the towel and abruptly opted against running for president in 2024 amid a pressure campaign from his party, the White House again insisted he wouldn't pardon Hunter Biden. The president spoke to this in his ABC interview. His comments stand, White House spokesman Andrew Bates told Fox News at the time. The president's campaign flags had also shot down conjecture that he would withdraw from the 2024 race. Ultimately, he did so. On Sunday evening, the president announced his shocking reversal and justified his actions by claiming that his son was treated unfairly by the justice system. "From the day I took office, I said I would not interfere with the Justice Department's decision-making, and I kept my word even as I have watched my son being selectively and unfairly prosecuted," the president said in a statement. "It is clear that Hunter was treated differently," he added. "The charges in his cases came about only after several of my political opponents in Congress instigated them to attack me and oppose my election."